Okay guys, now I'm going to guide you through the process of optimizing your videos on YouTube to get the most views and the most visibility. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the video that I'm trying to upload here to YouTube. In my case, it's a promotional video for my course on driving traffic. So let me find it in my documents. Okay, so here it is. Let me drag and drop it here. And now it's in the process of uploading. But the very first thing I want to tell you is about putting a call to action in your description. That's, in my opinion, one of the most important things, because people might watch your promo video, they might love it, but if you don't direct them to actually purchase the course or your product or your services or whatever it is that you're promoting, then you're not going to make any money. So what I like to do is I like to recap the advantage and the value that I'm offering with my product. So there you go. See, I've included a very clear call to action. Click here to get the full updated course at a discounted $3. And then a link for which I have created a special coupon code so I can actually track the results of my YouTube efforts. Now, Udemy makes it very easy because each coupon link is different, but if you don't have that, what you can do is track it by analytics. See if people have purchased your course and if they were brought to your website by YouTube. That's how you would track it if you had your own website. Having a clear call to action at the top of your description where it's easily accessible is definitely an important point.